In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resubscribe someone in Constant Contact. This is a crucial skill if you're managing email lists and someone accidentally or intentionally gets unsubscribed but wants back in. Let's dive right in. First, let's open up your web browser and search for Constant Contact on Google. Just type Constant Contact into the search bar, hit enter, and look for the official website link. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on that link. Now you're on the Constant Contact homepage. You'll see the familiar interface that you use for managing your email campaigns. Next, let's go to the login area. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll spot the login button. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy because you'll need them here. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard where all the magic happens. Now we're going to navigate to the Contacts section. From the dashboard, look for the Contacts tab. This is typically found near the upper center of your screen. Click on it and you'll be directed to your list of contacts. This is where you can view and manage everyone who interacts with your email campaigns. Once you're in the Contacts area, find the specific contact you want to resubscribe. You can do this by either scrolling through your list or using the search function to locate them quickly. Click on their name, which will open more detailed options regarding their subscription status. With their contact details open, focus your attention on the right side of the screen where you should notice a series of options denoted by 3 small dots or an ellipsis. Yes, that's right. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to expand a menu with more options. In this menu, you'll find the resubscribe email option. Click on it. This prompt is specifically designed to help you bring back a contact who has previously unsubscribed. You might be required to confirm your action, so be sure you're ready to proceed before clicking further. Finally, once you've clicked on resubscribe email, you'll have one more step to finalize. You'll see a button labeled resubscribe. Confirm your decision by clicking on this button, and that's it. Your contact is now successfully resubscribed and will begin to receive your emails again. Remember, you should have explicit consent from that contact before you add them back to your list to comply with spam regulations. By following these steps, you'll maintain a good relationship with your contacts and manage your email list effectively. Thanks for watching today's tutorial and happy emailing.